Saving money with credit cards in 2026? Hold up. What if I told you that right now, as you're scrolling through your feed after a long day, most Americans are unknowingly flushing away $500 to $2,000 or more every single year on hidden fees, sneaky interest, and reward traps that sound too good to be true? Picture this. You're standing at the checkout line, phone in hand, tapping that card without even blinking, feeling like the smartest shopper in the room, earning points left and right. But meanwhile, your actual bank account is quietly bleeding out like a slow puncture you haven't spotted yet. Ever paused mid-swipe just for a split second and actually wondered why that free rewards program feels so damn addictive? Yet month after month, your savings balance refuses to budge, or worse, keeps shrinking. What if the card companies aren't just offering rewards? What if they're literally engineering the whole system, points, categories, sign-up bonuses, to keep you hooked on carrying balances, juggling multiple cards like a casino game, and chasing points that vanish the second interest kicks in? Could flipping just one or two small habits right now in 2026 be the single biggest money move you make this entire year? Ditching all the hype, outsmarting the banks at their own game, and finally turning those plastic cards from silent thieves into actual money-pumping machines working for you instead of against you? If you're sick and tired of feeling like the system has been playing you for years, if you're ready to stop being the sucker at the table, then buckle up real tight, because these 10 raw, no-filter, eye-opening truths, freshly updated for 2026's insane APRs, shifting reward landscapes, and still recovering economy, are about to hand you hundreds, maybe thousands, back in your pocket this year alone. No fluffy clickbait, no sales pitch, just straight, no BS real talk that'll have you rethinking every swipe. Let's dive in and turn the tables on those plastic vampires. Number 10. Why does your brain still see credit as bonus cash in 2026? Have you ever checked your $8,000 to $15,000 limit and thought, I can afford this vacation upgrade, it's not my money? Why do studies show people spend 12 to 20% more with credit versus cash, even after all these years of warnings? What if you forced every swipe to feel like dollars vanishing from your checking account instantly? Would impulse buys drop overnight? Imagine that gut level "this hurts" hitting in real time. Could that one mindset flip save you $1,000 plus this year alone? Isn't it nuts how perception beats fancy rewards every single time? Number 9. How brutal is carrying even a tiny balance in today's high-rate world? Did you know average credit card APRs are hovering 21 to 25% in 2026, meaning $300 carried can cost $60 to $75 in interest yearly? Why do millions still fall for minimum payment traps while rewards get erased? Ever calculated how one "I'll catch up next month" during a tight cash flow month wipes out an entire year's 2 to 5% cash back? What if paying the full statement balance every month, no exceptions, no excuses, was still the number one rule that turns credit from expensive to basically free? Curious why finance Reddit and TikTok pros in 2026 swear by this as the foundation of everything else? Number 8. Why do those harmless, unplanned swipes wreck budgets faster than ever? Have you grabbed DoorDash, added to cart on Amazon, or upgraded your coffee run because it's only $25 to $40 and I get 4% back? What makes budgeted staples, groceries, gas, utilities, subscriptions, so much safer than those sneaky emotional buys? Could locking the card to pre-planned expenses only block revenge spending and lifestyle creep in this post-inflation era? Isn't it wild how rewards still trick us into thinking extra spending is winning until the statement shows $300 to $500 gone? What if this one boundary is the quiet shield most Americans need right now? Number 7. Ever paid $40+ late fee because life got chaotic? Why do late fees still hit $30 to $41 instantly? Penalty APRs spike to 29.99% and your score takes a hit, even with money in the bank. Have you missed a due date during travel, overtime, or just a busy week in 2026? What if automating full payments, not the minimum, killed every accidental fee and interest charge forever? No reminders needed. Imagine zero late fees, zero penalty rates, and rewards that actually stay yours. Would credit finally feel stress-free? Isn't one simple automation the underrated 2026 hack that saves hundreds quietly? Number 6. Are 2026's hot rewards even built for your real spending? Why do those 100K mile sign-up bonus ads look insane, yet your daily Target runs, commuting, and Netflix earn almost nothing? What happens when a card pushes you to eat out more, travel extra, or shop online to max the categories? Could picking straightforward cash back, 4 to 6% on groceries, gas, 3% dining, flat 2% everywhere, let points stack passively without lifestyle changes? Ever noticed the highest earners in 2026 are often boring cards that match normal American life? Bills, fuel, streaming, groceries? Isn't alignment the secret sauce over chasing limited time offers? Number 5. Do rewards still secretly inflate your spending in 2026? Have you chosen the $60 version over $35 because it's only $25 more and I earn points? Why does that logic snowball until dining, shopping, or subscriptions quietly jump hundreds? What if obsessive tracking, YNAB, Mint, Rocket Money, or weekly statement dives caught those creeps before they became permanent? Curious how seeing the full picture in black and white destroys the "it's worth it for rewards" delusion fast. Imagine spotting a $400 category increase early. How much could that prevent in a full year? Number 4. Why do BNPL and installments still feel like free money until they bite? Ever seen a $2,000 phone or furniture become $150 a month and thought, easy? But what if interest, fees, or missed payments quietly inflate the total by 15 to 40%? Could paying full upfront force the honest question, do I actually need or want this? Isn't it fascinating how delaying pain almost guarantees higher long-term cost? What if saying no to BNPL traps is one of the smartest 2026 money moves? Number 3. What high utilization is doing to your credit score and your mental health? Have you felt that low-grade stress when you're at 60 to 80% of your limit every statement? Why does low buffer turn a $600 car repair or medical bill into forced debt or score damage? What if keeping utilization under 10 to 30% gave you real emergency space without borrowing more? Curious how unused credit is basically a free, no-interest safety net in uncertain times? Isn't one percentage rule creating calm and flexibility most people overlook? Number 2. Does constant reward optimization exhaust you more than it pays? Why does which card for this purchase mental math add fatigue to every transaction? Have you ever skipped tracking or bought junk because optimizing got too tiring? What if dead simple rewards, flat rate cashback, or 1 or 2 killer category cards let you focus on needs instead of points games? Isn't it crazy how consistent boring beats flashy rotations that 90% of people quit after 3 to 6 months? Ever wonder why easy systems build real wealth for everyday Americans? Number 1. What sneaky patterns are hiding in your 2026 statements? Have you opened a recent bill and gone, holy crap, when did travel, entertainment, or groceries spike $500? Why do small habit drifts stay hidden until they become budget killers? Could 15 to 20 minutes of calm, curious monthly review, zero judgment, just data catch red flags super early? What if spotting a reward-driven extras, forgotten subs, or category creep saved you $500 to $1,500 this year? Isn't regular reflection the game changer that turns credit from liability to superpower? Bonus Kip. What do you do when control starts slipping in 2026? Ever noticed cards turbocharge bad weeks, stress buys, emotional splurges, the "it's fine" justifications? Why does forcing yourself to keep using them usually accelerates the slide? What if a temporary pause, debit or cash for 1 to 3 months, reset your habits and mindset fast? Curious why no 5x category, travel perk, or sign-up bonus justifies losing financial control? Isn't owning "I need a break right now" the strongest, most adult money move of all? If you're tired of playing defense and ready to make credit cards save you real money in 2026, pick one of these truths and go all in for the next 90 days. Which number punched you in the gut? Which ones got you thinking, damn, I gotta start this today? Drop it in the comments. Let's see what Americans are waking up to and hold each other accountable. If this no-hype, straight talk hit different, smash subscribe for more 2026 finance truths that actually move your net worth. Thanks for watching to the end. Your attention is gold. Like if this sparked something, share with that friend who's always maxing rewards but somehow broke, and I'll see you next time. Stay winning out there.